Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC. And I am recording this on Friday, May 10th, after the market has closed, and AMC closed the week at a price of $2.91, being down a little over 4.5% on the day, but going up a little bit in the after hours, closing the after hours session at a price of $2.96. And so this week was AMC's earnings week. And, it could have been a lot worse, could have come down, in the double digit percent, but we didn't see that. So I do think that is good. And if I do switch over to the weekly time frame, we can see that, actually over the course of the week, the stock is down almost 12%. But, following earnings, we did not see a massive gap down like we did in other stocks like Roblox. So I think things could be a lot worse. And I do think that there are some things in the chart that do look encouraging. And so all of these lines are lines that I have gone over in previous videos. And so I did want to adjust this uptrending green line. This is based on these two opens, the opening price from April 16th, as well as the opening price from May 1st. But I just wanted to adjust those levels to be the lows of those days, because it does look like we have broken below that trend line. Maybe that is a little bearish. So, just exploring the chart, being a little bit curious here. So the low on May 1st was $2.83.5. So I'm just going to adjust that here, and then adjust the other point to the low that is marked there. And so we could see that over the course of Thursday and Friday, we did break below that uptrend. So maybe not looking so great there. Also, Friday's candle does look like it was a bearish engulfing candle, completely engulfing the candle from the previous day. But this is the first close that we're seeing below this white downtrend. So maybe we pop above it on Monday. So not too much to be concerned with there. But when I was exploring this green uptrend, I added another trend line that I feel like is pretty interesting. It's really just based on the low here from April 18th at a price of $2.76, and then coming up to the low here at $2.83.5. So I'm just going to adjust that here. 83.5. All right, and so that is the line. Just going to make it a little thicker so we can see that. And it does look like, while we may have broken below this white downtrend, that if we take a step back, is this parallel channel that maybe has been significant, maybe has not been. We have traded above and below it. I just feel like, it's a nice one to keep on the chart, to keep consistent. But so, maybe that's significant. But what I think is better is that we're actually putting in higher lows, that the low from the 18th is over here, hitting a higher low here on the 1st, and now closing the week on May 10th. That is a higher low. So hopefully we can respect this level and move forward, move higher in the week ahead. And I do also want to point out, since we are seeing consolidation here following an up move from the low of $2.38, it's quite possible this could be bullish consolidation or a bull flag, and that we might be breaking to the upside. And so if I just draw a trend line from the approximate tops up here, it does look like we are forming a wedge that we may very well be breaking to the upside, maybe getting to test this purple downtrend, which would be at a price of right around $4 a share. And just taking a step back, we can see where that purple downtrend does originate from. It's actually from the high of April 31st, as well as the high from November 6th. That's how we get that downtrend. So, maybe we are going to see a breakout and a test of that level over here, maybe the top of that channel right around $4.60. And if we can get above those levels, maybe we see price really take off, getting up to $10 a share to fill this gap. We've been seeing a lot of volatility in GameStop. Quite possible we see the same thing in AMC soon. So, I did just want to share my thoughts. It's been a really fun week streaming their earnings call. I hope you guys did enjoy that. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Have a great weekend. Take care.